Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our tutorial today we are going to talk about how to close or delete our Google AdSense account. This is our Google AdSense account. Our Google AdSense account is the account that we're able to receive and monetize our website or YouTube channel using it. So our Google AdSense account is part of our Google Pay, our Google Pay. So for you to access your Google Pay account, you need to go to your Google account. Once you go to your Google account, you'll be able to go to your Google account and say manage your Google account. Once you say Google manage account, you'll be able to see to get to the payment and subscription. That is where your Google Pay account, that is how to access your Google Pay account. Then we'll say manage the payment methods. So once we say manage payment methods, we'll see we are to close the our tutorial is about closing the Google AdSense account. For us to go to close the Google AdSense account, we need to go to and close the Google Pay account. So we'll come here to activities. We can see the new activities. We can see subscriptions. There's no valid subscriptions. We can see the address. Thus, the first thing that we'll be able to say we remove this payment method. You can see we had an ATM that was attached. Since we are closing it, it's always best to come and first remove any details. Then we'll come to our settings. Once we come to settings, we'll be able to scroll down up to where we'll be able to find close your payment profile. Once we say we come to close the profile, it will ask us to log in into our Google account to verify if we are the owner. Once it verifies, we'll say important. After closing your payment, you'll be immediately lose your ability to access your transactions. We can see a notification being told after closing your payment profile, you will immediately lose your ability to view your transaction history, and you also lose access to any service linked to your profile. This will include the ability to purchase. Those are the things that we are going to. Those are the consequences of closing an account. Then we'll say here that I don't want the Google store of my payment information. We'll say that what this is you want. Why are you closing your payment profile? You can say that I don't want to give any reason. You must not give any reason, and we'll be able to tell them to continue. Then they will ask us to. We are getting a reminder that if you still have a responsible outstanding balance, you will still be able to. You will still have finished that balance. It may be in AdWords or any other. Then we'll come to close profile. Once we say close profile, we'll be able to get it asks for I know once it comes this it has closed. It has confirmed in our email address. I know we got that notification. It tells us that you have closed your Google payment profile. Thank you.